Hello everyone and welcome back to the workshop. This is a quick follow-up to the quick change tool post video. As most of you will know, this is a quick change tool holder. Simply drop in your tool, adjust the height once for the center line of the work, and the tool can be swapped in and out of the lathe very quickly. Now most machinists will probably tell you, no matter how many of these tool holders you have, you probably will still have one or two tools kicking around that needs a tool holder. Now I could easily go and buy some extra tool holders. These import aluminium ones are quite common and they are pretty inexpensive, but I've never been too happy with them. The fact that they're made out of aluminium poses a bit of an issue. I've used this tool holder for about 12 to 18 months and the dovetails look quite bent at the top, and as a result they don't fit in the tool holder as rigidly anymore. Preferably, these would be made out of steel. Now tool holders come in many different designs for different tools and processes. These ones with a slot cut out are designed for your square cutting tools and are the most common type. They are also the design that I use the most. This one here is designed to hold parting tools, and I use this one fairly often. I actually prefer to use high-speed steel cutting tools rather than carbide ones. And this one here is made for cylindrical boring tools. And I probably use it the least. I don't exactly do too much boring on the lathe. Firstly, I don't think the carriage is rigid enough. Torque is simply just a force multiplied by distance, and the more stick out you need from the boring bar, the more the tool will want to rotate, and the carriage simply can't resist that for a lot of materials. And also, truth be told, it's quite boring work. There are also tool holders for knurling tools and for holding tools at an angle, but these ones are less common. For this video, I'm going to stick to making another tool holder for my 1/4 inch high-speed steel cutting tools. And there we have it. I gotta say, these actually exceeded my expectations. I won't lie though, these are best suited for the smaller high-speed steel tools that I have. I wouldn't put any carbide in these. These are certainly rigid, but I don't think they're rigid enough for carbide. I probably will get some steel tool holders eventually, but I think these will do just fine. And with that, thank you very much for watching.